In this video, I'll be doing a full, unbiased review of Wax by Dadude, and I'll be discussing whether or not this is actually the best hair product I've ever used. As many of you guys will know, I've got an absolutely absurd collection of hair products from all sorts of brands, all different price points, loads of which perform very differently. So I was really excited when Dadude sent me an email and said they were going to send me some of their Wax. They wanted me to give it a true, honest review, and that's exactly what this video is going to be. And this is no paid or sponsored review, this is just my honest thoughts about the product. I had really high expectations for this product after seeing the thousands of really good reviews on Amazon. And this is where Dadude seems to be the most popular, because I hadn't really heard about them much before. They've got a small range of men's hairstyling products that are all made in Sweden. I'll be showing you what the product looks like and how it actually performs in the hair as well. So let's get straight to it. You will have seen me holding this up and you'll be wondering why have you got a piece of wood in your hand? Well, the Wax packaging is some of the most high quality I have ever seen on a hair product. It arrives at first in this canvas Hessian bag, which you never really get from any high street products and very rarely from any products that you order online. So it makes you think, oh, this must be a high quality product, and then you get the tub out. And this is something that I have never seen before. Surrounding the plastic interior container, you've got what seems to be a layer of wood, and it's got the logo and writing embossed on it, and it just looks and feels great. You know immediately that this is a high tier product. And also, the size of this product is probably a bit bigger than you'd expect after looking at the pictures. This product normally hovers around the £20 to £21 mark here in the UK, but for that price you're getting almost double the quantity of product. Now, enough about how this product looks. How does it actually perform in the hair? That's the most important thing. It advertises on their website as a super strong hold and natural finish product, which it doesn't actually say on the packaging, which I think they're missing out on. I am always skeptical about when a product advertises a really strong hold, because loads of times before with products in the past, it's just a lie. But with the Wax, it is incredible. This is one of very few products on the market that you can easily use, even if you've got really fine hair, and not have to even consider using hairspray. This wax absolutely locks your hair in place for hours and hours on end, but it doesn't give you the really crispy feeling of something like a gel. And if you need to slightly move your hair, you can still do that and it still holds in that place. It's probably the best hold on a product I have found generally so far. I've tried hundreds of products. This is probably the best I've tried. Now, the finish of the product was something that at first I wasn't very pleased with, because I used what would have been normally a regular amount of product compared to any other product, put it in my hair, and my hair started to get a bit greasy and sticky. But then after having tried this a couple more times, I realised I was just using way too much product. You can get away with using barely any of this product at all, as it even advertises on the packaging a small pea-sized amount. That will easily cover my head of hair. So as well as you having loads of product to begin with, you're barely having to use any of it at a time. Something like this is going to last me so long. If you're using the correct amount of product, then the finish isn't at all greasy. The texture of the product is very easy to work with, and as a result the styling time is so quick. It feels like it's halfway between a cream and a paste. It's got a slight bit of tackiness to it, but that's what gives it the amazing hold. And because you can get it right into the roots of the hair really easily and quickly, the styling time is one of the fastest ever. You can consistently get the exact hairstyle you want in under 60 seconds a day, which for a guy of my hair type, where your hair likes to just stick in all directions all the time, this is unheard of. So as a result, the Wax is my current hairstyling product of choice for everyday use. And for a guy who owns over 300 hair products, then that really says something about how good this product actually is. It's even paraben free, so you don't have to worry about hair loss as a result of using the product. I was on a video call yesterday with my friend Frederick from Style Your Life. He covered this in one of his recent videos, and we were talking about this yesterday, and we both agreed this is such a damn good product, everyone needs to give it a try. We both agreed that we weren't honestly expecting the product to be nearly as good as it was. We thought it would just be another one of these overhyped products, but for once the Wax absolutely delivers on its promises. So I would 1000% recommend going and picking this up. It might be a bit more than you're used to spending, but I can assure you, you just won't regret it. I'll leave a link to this in the description below so you guys can go and check this out, try it for yourselves. It'll probably become your favourite product too. It's really great being able to actually feature a product on the channel that ticks all the boxes that I want, because I am quite a harsh critic of hairstyling products. I have murdered a few in the past when I featured them on the channel. I have honestly never been so confident in recommending a product for you guys to go and try. So I'd certainly recommend voting with your feet, giving this smaller company the love it actually deserves, and going out and getting this product for yourself. So is this the best product that I've ever tried? Yes, I think it probably is. So congratulations to Dawax. Thank you, Dadude, for sending me this one once again, because I might not have been aware of this product, and I'm just glad that I've now got it and I can use it. If you enjoyed this review, hopefully you found it informative, hopefully not too unbiased, because as you will probably tell, I really like this product. It's very hard to find any negatives with it, but then again, that's why I think it's so great. So I think you need to certainly try it for yourselves. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave it a like, and if you want to see more reviews like this and also tips on how to style your hair, what to wear, make sure you press the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so YouTube tells you every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.